Now for our feature story of the day. The Quantile Model analysts are predicting Bitcoin smashing $285,000 per coin next year in 2025. Let's break this mofo down. Here you go. Bitcoin's strong weekly return of 10% exhibited a clear bullish breakout above the descending trendline pattern, which has been active since March of this year. And in light of that, Sina, co-founder of 21st Capital, indicating the current price of Bitcoin falls between the lowest consolidation price range for 2025, according to the Quantile Model. Now, how many of you are familiar with this model? Let me know. Sina presented a study that classified Bitcoin's probability space utilizing a quantile regression model and outlined 3 specific zones for Bitcoin in 2025. The analyst mentioned that each zone represented a different price range and market sentiment termed as cold, warm, and hot. Well, clearly the red must be the hot, and that's where we're getting to $285,000. So as you can see in the chart, the cold zone below 33% for 2025 ranges between 55 and 85,000, which includes the current Bitcoin price. This particular wavelength has been outlined as the lowest probable value for the Bitcoin, with seasoned investors expecting to build positions while keeping long-term targets above 100,000 in mind. Now, the warm zone, 33 to 66%, ranges between 85 and 136,000. Sina mentioned the majority of the retail will start paying attention during this valuation spectrum as Bitcoin forms new all-time highs and goes under price discovery. Investors may gradually build positions in this range with overexposure. Now, the hot zone, now we're talking, between 66 and 99% indicates the peak Bitcoin range between 136 and 285,000 per coin by the end of 2025, so 1 year out, where Bitcoin is expected to consolidate a third of the upcoming year with respect to each zone. Here's what the analyst shared. The 33% quantile ranges coincide perfectly with Bitcoin phase transitions. Bitcoin just likes to spend 1/3 of its time in each zone and then transition to the other zone like clockwork. Most of the bear market is 33%, and bull market euphoria begins at 66%. Did someone say euphoria? Don't make me play my Kendrick. Sina added that the prices would move with the most volatility in the hot zone, where profit taken and over-leveraged positions will lead to fast market reversals. Well, let's get to that hot zone already, eh? And as you can tell, Bitcoin's currently consolidating. We just tapped 69.5 2 days ago. We had a pump watch the other day. We streamed for like 13 hours. Let me know if you were on the live stream, but nonetheless, let me know if you agree or disagree with this quantile model. Can you see the red hot zone sending Bitcoin to 285,000 before the end of next year in 2025? Holla at your boy. I'm going to read your comments out loud and welcome everyone to the Q&A segment of the live stream. Now hit the likes, you bunch of degens. Thanks for the reminder, JBZ. This is for you, broski. The more negative news you hear, the more to hodl and scoop up the biddy. It's immune to the BS. Amen. Of course. Well said there, brother. This is weird. I have something similar happen. It may take the stream stopping for it to show up. Are you talking about the sticker? Yeah, sometimes YouTube got a mind of its own. We are streaming, fam. We're live on X, Rumble, and YouTube right now. Just reading comments. This is the Q&A segment. Let me know your thoughts regarding the quantile model I just shared. I'm going to read your comments out loud. Oompas, they're here, brother. I've got another halving for you. Thank you, Hayab. I greatly appreciate it. I'm glad you're entertained. And a reminder, disclaimer, everything you hear during my stream is for entertainment purposes only. I do not give financial advice. Okay? Just want to make that very clear. My job is to entertain you and share the news in between the entertainment. Less mining rewards, more scarcity. Ricky says, another great show. Thanks, JV and the gang. Well, this show is just getting started. We still have another hour to go, uncensored style. So if you're on the tube, you ain't got to go home, but you got to get the hell out of here. I encourage you to visit the Rumble, where we'll continue the stream on X and Rumble. The direct Rumble link is rumble.cryptonewsalerts.net. So yeah, YouTube stream should be ending any moment. Do your own TA. TA Crystal Ball, BLX, the oldest of the Bitcoin charts. Bitcoin goes up on an average of 2 fib levels post one halving, 1.114 fib. Right on. All possible by the next halving on 4/28. Yeah, 2028 April. My 4 sons is sitting on my lap enjoying the stream. Shout out Ion Crypto and your 4 sons. I'm going to give you 4 gong hits specifically for your sons. Very light ones.